Hello everyone, welcome, and here is going to be my chapter 7 vlog for wireless networking. So as I just said, the whole chapter for this one, it's all about wireless networking. We learn things about SOHO routers, like wireless networks here in these labs, all 802.11, A, B, C, and then AC and all the other configurations for that. We also figured out how to configure smart devices like phones, iPads, and all that. Um, it's a really short chapter. It's only 5 units or whatever you want to call it. Just looking in the future here, 8. It's also kind of short. It's a little longer, but it's whatever. But to go on with this one, I'm going to show you some labs here. So we're going to start with 7.1.9. It has us making um, a wireless network. So we'll start it. So what it has us doing here is it has us going into Google Chrome, typing in this IP address here. Then the password is just admin, and then password. Okay, so now that we're in here, we're gonna have to make our own wireless network. So it says change the settings on the wireless access point as follows. So what we want to do here is go to wireless and then basic. Here we would delete TrendNet and type in, as it says on the side here, where is that? Police van. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Next we'll go to security, and here we have, I just forgot to save it. But we'll type police van again, and then click apply. And then it's admin password. Okay, now that we have police van as the SSID, we're going to go to security. Here now we have police van. We're going to go to WPA2 PSK. Here. So here you see that it's already on our what we want, this AES, as you can see here on the side. But we need to add a password to it, and that's going to be for watching you. We'll just click apply to that. That's all good. Next, we need to go to administrator management here. We need to update our administrator password and username. So what it wants us to change it to is this down here on the side. So we'll go ahead and do that. So click apply to that. Next what we're gonna have to do is connect the laptop to this police van network that we just created. So what we're gonna have to do here is close out of this web browser, I guess, and go to computer desk. Here we are going to go into our laptop, and here, as you can see, we are not connected to any Wi-Fi, so we'll have to go in and connect to this. It's going to ask us for the password, and it's going to be for watching you. I must have typed that wrong. We'll type for W. So we'll type for WATCHING. Yep. Checking the requirements. And we are all good. So that is the lab. So here we'll score lab. As you can see, everything's right, like usual. So next we're going to go into one of my other labs that I actually liked. It's a really simple one. It has us going into a iPad and then an app. And then we're going to have to configure like smart devices to this. So as you can see, our instructions on the side, create the following rooms. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So it has us going into test out home. And then we have to click this 3-line button up here, and then new room. Just type in the rooms that I want. So we want lobby, It also wants main hall. And lastly, it also wants office 1. So what do we need to put into lobby? As you can see here, is we need to put in a lobby camera. So we need to click lobby camera, and then for the pairing code, it gives us all of them on the side here. Where is that? Lobby camera. Okay, right here. So we'll just click that and then add device, and then there we go. We have our lobby camera. We'll just have to repeat this process for each of them. So this one we're going to have to put on a smart light. So we'll put in the smart light, go down to the code. Where is it here? So we'll just highlight light switch here. Put this in, and there you go. We added light switch, and it wants us to turn it on. So all we have to do is click it, and now it is on. Next, we're gonna have to put on a smart lock. So we'll put that on. Look for it, and here it is right here. Just copy it, paste it right in. We'll lock the doors to the lobby, and next we will have to. Our last for the lobby is going to install a smart assistant. So we're going to copy the code again and put that in. So next we're going to have to go to the main hall, and what it wants us to do here is install a thermostat. So we're going to have to put in the thermostat and try to wiggle our way down here to get the thermostat. Okay, so we got it. We just put this in. And now it wants me to change the degrees to 72. So as you can see here, we have a smart thermostat temperature and a remote one. So I'm assuming there's like a physical one and then one you can use on like your iPad or phone, just like we're doing here. So what we need to do here is lower it to 72 degrees. So we're just going to put it down to 72, and now you can see it's cooling, and it'll eventually reach 72 degrees in the main hall. Next, in the office, we're going to have to add our last ones. We need to add a smart outlet. And then our last one that we're going to need is going to be a office camera. And then here's the last code we need to put in. And then that is it. That's it. So we're going to score the lab. As you can see, we got 100%. And that was kind of like the gist of Chapter 7, just going kind of through these things and setting up a wireless network. And that is all.